Hi members, Miss Heidi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make shadow animals using your hands. So today I'm going to be using a flashlight to make my shadows, but you can also go outside and use the sun to make your shadows. So today we're going to learn a couple different animals. We're going to learn the dog, the wolf, the bunny, the butterfly, the bird, and the crab. So let's go ahead and try them out. So first up, we're going to learn the dog. So we're just going to take one hand, hold it out kind of like you're going to shake someone's hand. And this up here is going to be the ear, so you can kind of flop it over or leave it straight up, whichever you prefer, and kind of tilt it up a little bit. This is going to be the nose, these three fingers connected, and then this pinky is the mouth. So you can make it bark, woof, woof, and that's the dog. Next up, we're going to do the wolf, which is pretty similar to the dog. Same fingers, so like you're shaking a hand, but we're going to take this pointer finger here and bend it in. And then again, our mouth, our ear, you can tilt it up. This is your wolf, and make it howl. Awoo! All right, next is going to be our bunny. So we're going to start by making a peace sign here. Turn it to the side, open it up just a little wider, and then move your fingers around just a little bit so you get this little opening here. And this is your little bunny eyeball right in here, your little nose, and your mouth. Hop, hop. Our next one is going to be the butterfly. So we're going to take two hands now for this one. Put our thumbs together so they're connected. Make sure all of our fingers are touching together. And flap, flap, flies your butterfly. Our next one is going to be the bird. So we're going to take our two hands again, cross them over, and then connect your thumbs together. And you can see the little bird beak right here, the tummy, and the wings. So our last one is going to be the crab. So again, we're going to use both hands, and we're going to cross them over each other, and then fold your thumbs down to make the little crab face. Open up your fingers, and these are your claws. And that is all of our shadow animals today. So that was all of our hand shadow animals today. I hope you enjoyed this video and try them out yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of our videos later. Thanks for watching. Bye!